Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a 2017 Ram 2500. We gave them the alarm system incorporate with the module that we downloaded the firmware to communicate with the same factory remote control. To arm it, you're gonna hit lock, locks your doors. You heard that chirp? That's my alarm in the background. Disarm it. Okay. To remote start it, you can do it from the application on the phone. We'll get to that in a second. Or you can do it from the remote control. 1, 2, 3. That should crank up the vehicle. Okay. Truck is running. So what you do is it keeps your doors locked. So what you do is you can hit unlock, put the key in the ignition, and drive away. What it does is turns on the AC. It keeps the truck nice and cool. Or if you go up north hunting or whatever, it keeps it warm. Once it's started by remote control, you can't shut it off right away because the module has, is doing all the engaging and whatnot. After 40 seconds is when you're able to do it from the phone if you wish, or you can do it from just simply the same process. 1, 2, 3, and that will shut off the truck. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and fire off the alarm. It sends them the alert on the phone. Should be able to get something. He has T-Mobile, and we notice in this area T-Mobile's a little bit glitchy. So yeah, I mean, once he drives out of here, everything should be a lot quicker. But we'll give you a rundown on the alarm from the phone. That will lock your doors. Okay. This one will unlock it. This one will remote start it. This one will turn off the remote start. This is the battery level of the truck, which is 13 volts. The signal of the unit has GPS. You can tap it here and it opens up the map. For security reasons, we won't show location of the vehicle. Our contact information is right here. Okay, it tells you the doors are locked. I'm gonna hit unlock. Turns off the alarm. Okay, it should tell you unlock. It's a little slow, surprising. Normally it's very fast. I don't know if it has something to do with the area today. I'm gonna go ahead and remote start the truck. And then this one is to shut off the remote start. It will give you the countdown too. It will start 20 minutes going backwards. This app, you can select the picture of your vehicle and even the color. Okay. This system is what's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. It starts giving you, it tells you that the truck is running. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. That shuts off the truck. Okay. And then we went ahead, the last thing, we went ahead and gave him a pin switch for the trunk, for the tailgate. So if somebody busts out this keyhole here and opens up the tailgate, the alarm will fire off. He'll get the notification on his phone. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. This is the antenna. right here. That has nothing to do with the GPS or the cellular module. That's just gives you a range from the remote control, and it has the blue light that's gonna flash at night. Okay, and it's got a little button here that's to do like a little pit stop. Let's say you start the truck. Okay.
77. I'll go to phone again.
And you press this button twice. What this does is it allows you to take the key with you and leave the truck running in case you want to get a drink inside somewhere, or you have somebody inside the vehicle but you need the keys to open up the house or whatever. You don't want to leave the keys inside the vehicle. This is the what is called pit stop.